If you're a business owner like myself, you probably have the luxury of getting 1,000 of this email every day. So I actually pick one from my junk inbox to actually show you guys and review these couple of beginner mistakes. So this is an email that I obviously got, and it's right in the last 6 months we have started working with 50 SEO company agency just like you and love your work. I'm going to decide to approach more because I believe my team can help you scale your business. I just want to know if you require better solution, SEO and all that stuff. We can manage all of that. 150 plus team, SEO, PPC, SMO, SMM, 15-day trial and all that stuff, and initial frank BDE of the company, and I do the my due diligence to actually blur out this company name. But let's just start with a couple of upside here, guys. They have a very strong hook at the end, 15-day trial. So they like also highlight, so there's a hook in this email, so I'm gonna give him credit for that, and a lot of social proof with 50 SEO, 150 plus team, work with this guy and that guy, so really strong. But I personally wouldn't respond to this email because it's quite long, right? It's quite long, and you gotta remember that the goal of sending cold email is to start a conversation rather than to get an appointment, right? So you always keep that in mind. The goal of cold email is to start a conversation. Once someone gives you a positive reply, the first thing you do is actually pick up the phone and ring them, like Google their phone number up and then ring them. That's really the agenda of the cold email. And a couple of things is that if you notice, everything here is about themselves. Like they talking too much about themselves. It's like, hey guys, I do this, I do that. Just imagine if you're in a party and you just walked in there and you said, hey everyone, this is Vico, this is what I do, yada yada, blah blah blah. And it's like, man, this guy's a douche. Like in reality, guys, people don't really care about too much about what you do and what you sell. They really want that connection. They really want to actually start a conversation with someone who actually take the time out and actually understand their business. That's how you actually move from a $200 per month products to really $2K per month products. Okay, so talk too much about yourself is actually not good in the first initial introduction. What are you gonna do, and what can we learn from all of this mistake that we just reviewed? We're gonna give you our exact scripts, and there's gonna be two options, script 1 and script 2. Make sure that you actually experiment out, but this is script 1. I'm gonna walk you through the thought process. Leave a comment below if you actually try it out and actually get your first appointment or actually get your first deal, right? I do want to actually know that. Okay, so our script 1 is very simple. Again, remember the goal is to generate a freaking conversation, not an appointment, right? And once they reply, pick up the phone, ring them and book that appointment, or get your virtual assistant to do so. Okay, so number 1 is, hey name, just wondering if you do XYZ. All right, hey John, just wondering if you do teeth whitening. And what you do is that you just wait for a yes reply. Depending on what software you use, or you just send this manually, you can set an automation to actually reply when someone reply yes, and it texts them the second message. If you want us to do a training on that, we can do that too. Just drop it in the comment. Okay, but the second message will actually go in, great, we're currently looking for a partner right now in your area who can take on 20 to 30 extra appointments for teeth whitening job. XYZ is a blank, and do you have the capacity to do so? Now you can see the script is really designed to actually get a reply and start that conversation. And if you notice here, it's really short and it's really simple. And like I said, the goal here is to start a conversation, so it definitely can help you achieve that outcome. And if you notice, guys, this script is all about the prospects and it's nothing about yourself. All right, so hey, I'm just wondering if you do this, and we have an opportunity for this to happen. Right? This script has nothing to do with yourself. I even going with the subject line said quick question, and the initial is just your first name, which is like Vico, right? I wouldn't put any company name, and it's best to actually send from a Gmail instead of a company email. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and move on to script 2. I'm just gonna show you, right? The script 2 here is a little bit different. Okay, script 2 it just goes straight to the point, but it's the same format. Hey John, we're currently looking for a partner right now in your area to take on 20 to 30 appointment for teeth whitening, fill in the blank again. Do you have the capacity to do so? And the hook here is that just reply yes, so I can send you some sample. Now it's the same format, but it doesn't require for you to wait for that yes, and it doesn't require to set that automation back and forth. Now we experiment, we find that depend on some industry and some country, script 1 work to be better for something that is more conservative like dental. But if you targeting a real estate agent, they get this email all the time and they just bombard with the thing, they just want to get to the point. For real estate agent, agent, script 2 might have worked more better. But let me know in the comment which one you like. If you're just starting out with your agency and you're starting out with the whole cold email thing, I do recommend that you actually split test and actually track it in a Google Sheet and actually see what outcome you're gonna better achieve for this. Hey guys, if you like this video, we actually have a full training on how to do script for free. And you know, it's part of our YouTube channel video. I'm gonna leave a video right now up top there, so make sure that you click on our actually outreach script training and go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any other question, drop it in the comment and we'll see you then. Really keen to know what result you're gonna get from actually testing this out. Hey guys, if you enjoy watching the video, make sure that you also checking out this content right there.